Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SPX, BNB and XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're going to start with the SPX to 6900, which is of course a very impulsive chart here. We have a wave 1, several 1-2s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3 finished, wave 4 finished as well without interfering with zone 1. Very nice impulse. Wave 5 in the yellow is even not yet finished. Now internally we have incredibly a lot of 1-2s as well. Still looking of course for this wave 3 in the orange to be completed as 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and a 5. Of course your wave 1, 2, wave 3 here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 to be finished of course in the orange, then 4, 5, 4, 5, 2 or the upside, because of course you have still a very large wave 5 to be finished based on this wave 1. If we dive a little bit deeper on the 1 hour chart and of course zoom in inside this move here, you can see we have 1, 2 and then we have another 1, 2 in the blue scenario, 3, 4, 5 unfolding to finish wave 3 in the white. The wave 4 has been given. Well, time is never invalidation as we always mention, but the fib levels has perfectly been taken. And then moving towards the upside as expected right now for this wave 5, the next blue box of course to be given. We can see of course this is not a finished wave 5. You can be, of course there is a potential that you are in a bigger wave 4. Don't forget this guys. It can be a bigger wave 4 that the time is still there, wants to take it. And we're gonna see the key levels. However, you can also expect that this is a double 1-2. You're looking for 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 in case the market is in rush to move towards the upside. Key level for this scenario, if you are of course in a wave B expanding flat here, that because of course you have 3 waves down, and if you measure the wave B here as an expanding flat, you are perfectly inside this blue box or the perfect fib levels for a wave B. And of course, in case we are still under this price action, I recommend that you stay in precautions, yeah, because you might have of course a wave C here, wave 4 extended to reach the time and then moving towards the upside. If the price move towards the upside, breaks the 2.9, which is of course your key level here, exactly confirmation for higher price. But of course, yeah, it's not just by touching it. You want to simply, of course, moving decisively a little bit, yeah, a little bit higher, like not just like touching it and moving down. It still can move down, of course. We need a decisive move. We need, of course, a price action here. We need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. Okay, then you're continuing simply toward the upside. This is exactly your key level at 2.099. Yes, otherwise, of course, you are in an A, B, and a C towards the downside. Potentially still can be unfolding, so you have to be careful with it. Yep, so this is regarding SPX 6900 on the lower time frame. Now, let me just refresh your minds for the daily and for the spot holders, of course, and long-term traders. What we are looking at here for SPX is a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish wave 1 or wave A, higher potential for a wave 1, wave 2 given as well. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again to hit perfectly. And of course, this is what we are aiming for, the wave 5 between the $13 and the $44. Currently, this wave 5 is a 1-2, and the wave 3 still unfolding as we saw it on the lower time frame. Several 1-2s, wave 3, 4, and a 5. Several 1-2s in the wave 5. To finish a wave 3 and then 4 and a 5 finally to of course finish this impulse. And after that you still expect one more wave, big wave 4 and a 5. Of course this is a new cycle, guys. Of course we're talking about here as a new cycle, but basically right now we're still looking for that price. That was it for SPX. Let's move for the XRP. For the XRP, let's refresh also the minds about the daily. The daily, we are looking, of course, for an impulse here towards the upside. After a finished here, a very long range correction. This is the all-time history, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, wave 1. Very long corrective wave, finishing wave Y, wave B, or wave 2. Moving simply toward the upside, followed by, of course, an impulse we were looking for when this impulse is going to unfold with a wave 5. And here we go, finally on this chart for 4 hour, we can see after the impulse we see this corrective wave, which it might be, of course, A, B, C, D, E here finished, and you're moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for higher prices. In different scenario, you can be, of course, in a W, X, and a Y, and you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Definitely, it's not diagonal anymore, so we're gonna remove this. Also, we're gonna clean up. We passed the 1-to-1 fib level, which is was our key level here for higher, and overshoot it, meaning, of course, yes, we're looking for higher. Now, currently, this potential, of course, wave 1, 2 is also a little bit less possibility due to potential, three waves structure here, which I don't really like it. So I'm tending to be much more in this scenario as an A, B, C, D, E, having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knowing also that the character of XRP loves so much, of course, the triangles. And this might be the case scenario here that we are looking at. So basically, I would say on the 4 hour chart right now, we are looking at the following count where you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 5, I believe the wave 5 is not finished yet, my friends. So here we go. we're still looking for something higher, yes. Because this is your wave 3 here, that's true. This is your wave 5 in the magenta to finish this main wave 5, and then of course a bigger wave 5 here to unfold. Let me check 1 second, guys. All right, sorry, I'm mistaken. This wave 5 belongs there. This is wave 3, 4, 5, and yes, not finished yet. Not finished yet anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm still looking for higher. I'm still looking for higher, and that because your wave 5 in the magenta has to reach this blue box as well. Or of course at least take the high, which is not taken yet. Also, the structure is obviously not finished yet. You have double 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, potentially even for higher for XRP. $4.14 and 3.95. Very nice price for XRP. All right, the next one is Binance. Let's see Binance also, this giant also chart where we have on the all-time history something really nice, similar, I would say, to Bitcoin a little bit, with the parabolic curves that we see on the all-time history. You have, of course, an impulse, wave A, wave 1, wave B, wave 2, of course, finished 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're looking right now to this wave 5 from there. 1, 2, 3, wave 4 again, A, B, C, D, E, wave 5 towards the upside. Now, currently, let's move inside this wave 4 here. After we finish it as a triangle, we are looking at the following scenario. A, B, C, D, and an E finished already there. And we're looking, of course, here on the 2-hour chart at this impulse for higher prices. Impulse, wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, again, 3, 4, 5 to finish wave 3, 4, and a 5, very extended to finish wave 3 in the blue. Finally, wave 4 in the blue, hitting perfectly the wave 5 on the perfectly in our blue box for wave 3. What a beautiful price action, right? Incredibly nice. So I believe even there is still one more high, and we still, of course, need one more low, 4 and a 5. Based on the timing for this wave 2 in the yellow, you will not need so much time, actually 1 day maximum of correction, and then it proceed toward the upside. But potentially here, let's move inside it on the 1-hour chart to see it clearly. We have 1, 2, and potentially 1, 2 again, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, it can be finished. It can be finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it can be finished, guys. So I believe we are proceeding with the wave 4 right now. Higher potential, a wave 4 is unfolding, and here we go. That is an impulse to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave A, wave B, and wave C. It's gonna take a little bit time. Maybe wave B goes sideways, and then wave C. Then okay, wave 5 unfold finally. Yep. So very nice price action for all the altcoins right now, as expected, guys. Since months, weeks, we were, of course, signaling this on our channel. Again, I want to thank you everyone for your support. I believe that the channel is also very bullish, moving with the subscribers and the numbers. Thank you. And this is, of course, thanks to your support, guys, and your endless support, I would say, even. Thank you so much. And yeah, trade safe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.